So at the front door we go in, and then you have on the right side this smaller bathroom here, mirror, and then the room where we have our electricity and the washer, and the kitchen where we have the dishwasher and the stove, of course, nice big fridge, and a bit of a view out here from the kitchen. And then we have the dinner table and the living room where you have the TV, 42-inch plasma, and you have the fireplace. And then outside, the big balcony, the fireplace, and this door here will take you out to the, if it wasn't locked, to the spa. There you go straight over. Even in the winter time it is nice and warm, steaming hot. And then you have the view from here, all here. Nice big balcony. For the summertime you sit in these hang chairs and the long table. Barbecue some nice meat in the summertime out there. When there's no snow we have the fireplace for the kids. And then if you walk down that way and up here, there's a road, and up back there is the playground for the kids and the snow slopes and the ski slopes.